Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna unbox Asus VivoBook 15 M513IA. I'm really excited. Let's get started. So here we have the laptop box and here we go, the bag. Let's see the bag. How is it? Cool. So let's see what's inside the box. Insert a cracker. So here the laptop. Let's keep it aside and see what's there inside. What's this? Let's see. What's this? Oh, stickers! Yeah! Best part! Wow, you get the stickers. These are so cool. Wow. It's the manual book. And here you have a leaflet, basically. This is the internal hard disk case you get along. Now it's time to see what's there inside. Oh, you get the mouse and the charger, of course. These are the chargers. And the mouse. Let's open it. Oh, let's see the laptop now. It's time for the laptop. Yeah. Let's open the laptop. So nice. It looks so cool. Slim. And let's on it. It's really fast. I'm loving it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you subscribe and hit the like button and hit the guys share with your friends as well. Bye bye.